Hello, fellow plant enthusiasts. So I just set up this terrarium, and I didn't really have anything to put in the foreground that I had in mind. So I figure I'd be letting the Wandering Jew and this piece of the Begonia Foliosa that I cut off from over here establish, and then I could probably put something else in the foreground. But as I potted this from this really ugly nursery pot with tray into a nicer piece of pottery, I broke off this little stem segment. And because the Begonia Foliosas are very finicky with, they like more moisture, or they're more prone to dry out because they're much smaller than a typical begonia, I figure I'll just stick this in the foreground for now of this terrarium and see if it will root and start growing. So that's what I'm doing, and maybe in a few weeks or a couple months or so I can make an update and show you guys how it fares, if it started growing or if it died. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and happy planting.